Welcome guys, in this video we will talk about the income stream will help you to become a billionaire. Number 1, the earn income means income from working a job. Second is a profit income from buying and selling a product. Number 3 is earn interest income from lending a money. 4 is a royalty income, means income from others by using your ideas. 5 is a dividend income from owning a stock or shares. 6 is a rental income from renting a property, real estate. 7 is a capital gains, increasing in the value of assets, properties. 8 is a residual income, paid continuously after work is done, like overtime.